This one na update on the Islamiyya students where them adopt. And I remember one time where I talk say some students go school, whether they call them Islamiyya students, or be some they go one school where they complain say why Pikin go they go school on Sunday. Now this their head teacher of this school don't come outside, can't talk. And this man they cry in they talk waiting the pen because we they look and say not only people children they carry young children self. He say be a 3 be 4 children and his sister self will be teacher be some say they carry that one self go. Make una first watch this video.
They took them to bush. They are sleeping on the ground. No leaf, no mat. How do you expect them to live like that?
Alaje, oh my gosh. I sympathize. I feel for you. I feel for you. This is unbearable.
All eyes are on me as the head teacher. All eyes are on me. You see, I have witnessed the funeral prayer of one of the parents here, very close to the school. She died. He has one child in the school. When she just come back because she was not around when the incidents happened. But they found her to come back. When she came back, they told her that this is what is happening. I'm a human being. I am the headmaster of that school for more than 10 years. More than 10 years. I have my own biological children in the school. I have a sister, the same father, the same mother in the school. And children of my friends and relatives. How do you expect me to allow them to come to the school at that day or in that day? And you mean I have the information that the bandits will come and I will allow them to open the school. I will be in the school or allow my children to come to the school. It's not possible. I'm not so full to agree with that. It's just a statement. It's just a mere statement from the government. Because one of the officer came to the school, came to the school. The DCP that was sent from the commissioner, he came. He asked me that they heard that the bandits told us that they say they are coming. And we allow our children to be in the school. It's a lie. This attack is the first attack we received in Tegina. This is the first attack. So we don't know anything. We are innocent. Our children are innocent.
And I don't see as this man they cry. Talk say governments don't even forget them. Say everything where they happen for this Tegina town for Niger State. So government no they even talk about anything. And these people talk say they want how much? 120 million to 200 million. We are on a thing say that these poor people won't see this money. All these people where they adopt, if I don't know be and I know they get sense. Rich people they there, government people they way get money, now no go face them. People will be say na beg they beg they survive. Now na go they face it and na their children. And I know say na 136 children and they carry. Some of these children say they say 4 years old. What in this Pikin no be waiting this Pikin do on? We be say this kind adoption and I know see and say okay make we go carry people we be say and I know say if na do anything safe they go pay on this money. Now people we no know anything. This man they really complain. This man talk say they no be animals. Say they be Nigerian. Make government come outside can't do something. And government self talk say that they do everything where they try to release these people. Or they don't even forget saying that they still put ban say anybody will go pay ransom. That means even them now if they gather this money go pay, they feel even still arrest them. Which kind of Nigeria can't be this now? When be say they adopt your own Pikin, you now can't go hospital. Okay, make I can't pay this money by myself. Government self can't pull or say if I pay, they go arrest me. What thing I want make the person do? And this man talk say, in fact, many people don't they die because of this adoption matter. Say you get one woman, she may even die. Say the day where they adopt this Pikin, and the Pikin of her only child, as she just hear this, immediately this woman just faints, die. So recently, say the women for the village, most of them don't die of heart attack. Because of say if they hear this matter, they go they think, what thing they do for the children? We they complain about say that they rape. Maybe they don't even rape these people children for deal. Don't they do them bad things? Because this school self na like primary school, na Islamic school. They don't come out their hijab. Say as they carry them go, they just leave them with their trouser. So maybe they go leave them naked. Girls make their breasts they show make waiting. Now they all these people but waiting government self they do. As it be like that's all of us supposed to do crusade for Nigeria. The kind things where they happen, we supposed go kneel down, beg God well about this Nigeria where they happen. And this whole thing self, make I not even blame the northern people. Because this time where Buhari come, now then they shout, say Baba, say Baba. Now say Baba don't say Baba on our children. Now one day now they complain, say Baba no they do anything. This money self where government they spend, not be on our money, make them use and release people children. Make they release and these children, make they go back their house. Last that not self, be they go even close down all the school. I be the not self, make they just close and that make they just even sell them. Because wahala they over happen. Not be only not be states for this Nigeria. Not be only Niger state, not be only Kaduna, Kano. What's it happen? Every day wahala for these remaining places. And I want make the people who can live there, and they survive. As it be like this, we don't know as that they even plan to do them because the man they cry say government no they do anything. Nigeria and our president, if na cow, he go get strength. If not to ban Twitter, he get the power. But to release money, go release people children, you no get that one power. I don't know as we go take do am again, no. Now here I go end this kind of matter, and it's way na few making a right hand for the comment section. As they penny now, making a right hand for this comment section because I know say all this whole matter where they happen for Nigeria, they vex now, they do now like say make now don't even jackpot come out from this country. But as it be, all of us go there okay. Last now here we go still there. Now here we go there till things go better for this country. Make now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you for our next story. Then talk say one soldier don't stab one DSS operative because of say waiting. Say this DSS officer they try help one boy. Where the soldier they talk say be him be waiting him be Yahoo boy. They don't they write Yahoo boy for face abi if they just see person they go talk say this one a Yahoo boy, this one a Yahoo girl. Yahoo now, even some people say they're not going to make they just see one chain. Abi you dye your hair, they go arrest you. So that they talk say this thing happen now for Ado Ekiti for say near one NTA road, say one hotel, I been a hostel, there for that place. So say this boy now, so soldiers go just come there, come they catch people. Say but recently they come there, come catch some fraudster guys, some guys will be say now 419 Yahoo 90 they do. Say this boy now him come there. If like say all this kind of hotels, now all this kind of hotel where they get back, now so the place be. Say as the boy they did, now so this soldier go meet and say, Olog Benny, what thing you they do for here? Say you be Yahoo boy. The boy come dey how I tell be Yahoo boy? Now my chain, now my freshness, I be the bling bling go away and I they making that they feel say I be Yahoo boy. And so this matter be this soldier now start to they like I know be one soldier they say they plenty. They come start to they interrogate this guy. So this DSS now when they pass, this DSS officer in carrying your car, they pass jeje. And so this boy come run call this man say I beg go help me. Say this kind of thing where they happen, you know they understand. Now there this DSS officer say come down. Come go meet then this soldier say what thing this boy do? He don't tell and say he no be Yahoo boy. When I don't check him food, he no be Yahoo boy. So waiting again when I they hold him for. Before we go see, they say one of the soldiers as the man they talk vest don't enter him body, he just carry knife. Stab this this DSS officer for neck. Now there this man just fall down. Blood start to the rush out. Now there this man die put for. See as they just kill person. All these soldiers don't talk and say if like say our soldiers crazy they worry them. They no go there all right, but they go people were supposed to go there for Zambeza forest go they fight war. And I go can't keep them among normal human beings where they okay. Now this man now don't kill this person. And as this matter happened for the hotel, they say everybody run. Everybody run, hallelujah, because they fear say, may they no go stand. Person go come see them, come talk say, you say if you be suspect, be you dead there. Army go come arrest you, say, what make you they look? Now make everybody run. No? So nobody even try, say, may they even carry this DSS officer. Go help them. Because them say they fear for their life. But as the matter happen, we hear say other DSS officers self just come there, sharp come arrest the new soldier. But as it be, they hide this soldier's name. If not, they could not mention this soldier where do this thing. They know they agree to their name because not be one person. This our government, and these people now them they give law. Soldier we supposed you supposed go meet say, okay, this thing they do me. Now I can carry gun now, knife now they kill person. If soldier don't they do EFCC work, what the police go come they do? Since when soldier even start to arrest Yahoo boys? At least I make SARS come outside. And as they ban SARS, EFCC start to they do this kind of thing. Now EFCC don't go sit down, they do another work. But now EFCC now road safety work they do. Now I make soldier now they come they arrest Yahoo boys. And they say this one what happened for Ado Ekiti people now so now they behave. Now so on our soldiers get a mental problem because this one now mental case. I don't see waiting now don't talk. When we say the next thing now because the person don't talk something we vex you now you go come carry knife say you won't kill the person. This thing don't make sense now. This thing don't make sense at all. If you know say you know if you work, they don't test on and say on a brain no deal. Maybe they go drop them for somewhere. Last time maybe they carry them go war. Maybe for the war, the just even buy them for there. Because this one where they kill innocent citizens. The thing don't they over happen. Soldier this, soldier that. It don't too much. It don't over too much. On a go wear uniform. They behave like goats. People who come wear normal human attack. If they do some, if say now normal human being do this kind of thing now, wahala for don't come. But as na soldier now, they try hide this thing. They cover them. No one gree mention the soldier name. As it be this man, rest in peace. Oh, and the only thing I get to tell you, anybody where they hear this thing, make yourself write in the comments for down there because I know say on a few they won't experience this kind of thing. No every day. Now some person go just want to harass you say and you be Yahoo boy, you be Yahoo girl. People they face this thing even as they don't still ban us. They still they face them. Anyhow as the matter be, making a write down for the comment section. Then making a don't forget to like or share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you on for our next video.